Hello guys! For today's video, tuturuan ko naman kayo about angle pairs, complementary and supplementary angles. So, let's start. So, write C if the given pair of angles are complementary, S if supplementary, and N if neither of the two. Okay, first discuss muna natin ano yung complementary and supplementary angles. Okay, first is complementary. Okay? When we say complementary angles, ito yung dalawang angle na kapag pinag-add mo, ang sum niya is 90 degrees. So basically, kung meron kang angle A plus angle B, equal siya sa 90 degrees. Okay? Pag hindi 90 degrees, hindi na siya complementary. Okay? So next is supplementary. Okay. Para naman pag supplementary, same lang din siya ng complementary. Ang kinaibahan lang niya is yung dalawang angle kapag pinag-add mo siya, ang total naman niya or yung sum naman niya is 180 degrees. So, by that, angle A plus angle B is equals to 180 degrees. So, katulad ng complementary, kapag yung sum ng dalawang angles is hindi naman 180 degrees, hindi na agad siya supplementary. E paano kung sabihin natin, pag pinag-add mo yung dalawang angle, ang lumabas 179.9 or 180.1? Pwede ba natin siyang masabing supplementary? Of course, hindi. As I said, kailangan eksaktong 180 degrees yung sum nila. Same din sa complementary angles. Hindi pwedeng 79.9 or 89.9 rather or 90.1. Dahil kailangan saktong 90 degrees siya. Hindi pwedeng magkukulang or sasobra ng 0.1 or 0.01. Okay, maliwanag ba yan? Okay. So ngayon, sagutan na natin yung ating mga given examples. Okay, for our first example, we have 67 degrees and 33 degrees. So, ang gagawin lang natin, ipag-add lang natin yung dalawang given angles. Kung ang sum nila is 90 degrees, we write C for complementary. If 180 naman yung sum nila, we write S for supplementary. And kung hindi naman 90 degrees or 180 degrees, we write N. Sulat natin N, which means neither of the two. Okay, let's start. First, 67 and 33 degrees. So, add lang natin sila. 67 plus 33. Okay, add natin. 7 plus 3 is 10, pero 0. Carry 1 tayo. So, 1 plus 6 plus 3. So, 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. So, ang sum niya is 100. Ngayon, ang sabi, 90 degrees for complementary, 180 degrees for supplementary. So, ano naman kapag 100 degrees? So, neither. Kasi hindi siya 90, hindi siya 180. So, for our first given, we write N. Dahil 100 degrees siya. Okay? Maliwanag ba yon? Okay, proceed tayo sa ating second example. 28 degrees and 52 degrees. So, add lang natin silang dalawa. So, we have 28 plus 52. Okay, so 8 plus 2, 10. So, 0, carry 1 tayo. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 5, we have 8. Ang sum niya is 80. Ngayon, complementary, supplementary, or neither of the two. So, ang sagot is neither of the two. Dahil hindi siya 90 degrees, hindi rin siya 180 degrees. So, for our second given, N uli siya. Neither. Okay? So, next na tayo, yung ating third example, which is 125 degrees and 55 degrees. So, add lang natin uli silang dalawa. You have 125 degrees plus 55. Okay, 5 plus 5 is 0. ay 10 pala rather, carry 1. So 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 5 is 8. So 8. Then bring down yung 1 since wala siyang katapat. So ngayon, ang sum natin is 180. So basically, ayun na, given na agad. Madaling-madali tayo makakapag-conclude kung ano siya. So 180 degrees, supplementary siya. So yung two angles natin are supplementary angles. So we write S. So yung third example natin is supplementary. S lagay natin. So yun. So for our fourth example, which is 97 degrees and 103 degrees. So add lang natin uli sila. We have 97 plus 103. Okay, 7 plus 3 is 10. 0, carry 1. So 1. So 7 plus 3 is 10. So 0, carry 1. 1 plus 9 is 10. Plus 0 is 10. So 0 uli, carry 1 uli tayo. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So ang sum niya is 200. Ngayon, hindi siya 90 degrees para complementary, pero hindi rin siya supplementary kasi hindi naman siya 180 degrees. So, ang sagot natin for our fourth example is neither of the two. So, N uli siya. Ayun, maliwanag ba? Okay, for our fifth example, so, hayaan ko kayong sagutan yan. So, sagutan nyo siya and i-comment nyo sa video to kung complementary siya, kung supplementary, or neither of the two. Okay, maliwanag yun? Okay, so dumako naman tayo sa ating next part. So, determine the complement of the given angles. So, complement. As I said earlier, sabi ko kanina, na complementary angles ay yung dalawang angles pag pinag-add mo, 90 degrees. Okay? So, basically, ang gagawin lang natin to find yung complement angle nung given angle natin dito is ima-minus lang natin siya sa 90 degrees. So, 90 degrees minus yung given natin. Okay? Try natin. For our first example, 68 degrees. So, 90 minus 68 tayo. So, 90 minus 68. So, ayan, minus natin. So, 0, mag-carry 1 tayo dito. So, yung 9, magiging 8. Yung 0, magiging 10. Okay, so 10 minus 8, we have 2. And 8 minus 6, we have 2 also. So, 90 minus 68 is 22. Ngayon, ang complementary or ang complement nung 68 degrees natin is 22 degrees. So, lagay natin sa baba na lang dito. So, ang complementary niya ay 22 degrees. Ayan. Okay, maliwanag? Okay, proceed tayo. For our second example is 58 degrees. Same method tayo. Yung 58, ima-minus lang natin sa 90. So, solve natin. So, you have 90 minus 58. Okay? So, 0, magkikarry 1 ulit tayo. 9, gawin natin 8. And 0, gawin natin 10. So, 10 minus 8 is 2. And 8 minus 5 is 3. So, 90 minus 58 is 32. Okay? So, by that, lagay uli natin, ang complement ng 58 degrees ay 32 degrees. Ayan. For our third example, 23 degrees. Okay? Same sa kanina. Kindly comment down your answer kung ano yung complement ng 23 degrees natin. Okay ba yun? Okay. For our final part ng ating topic ngayon, Determine the supplement of the given angles. So kung kanina, complement, ngayon, supplement. Ulitin natin, pag sinabi nating supplement, kapag inad mo yung angle na yon sa given angle natin, 180 naman yung total natin. Kanina sa complement, 90 degrees lang siya yung total natin eh. This time, kailangan 180 naman. So, para mahanap natin yung supplement ng given angle natin, ang gagawin lang natin, 180 degrees minus 134 degrees. Okay, try natin sa ating first example, which is 134 degrees. So, minus lang natin. 180 minus 134. So, 0. Mag-carry tayo uli. Heheram uli tayo sa 8. So, magiging 7 to. So, 0, magiging 10. So, 10 minus 4, we have 6. And 7 minus 3, we have 4. 1 minus 1 is basically 0. So, hindi natin susulat. So, 180 minus 134, or 134 rather, is 46. So, by that, lagay natin S, which stands for supplement. Ang supplement ng 134 degrees is 46 degrees. Yon, maliwanag ba? Naintindihan naman? Okay, proceed tayo. For our second example, we have 82 degrees. So, same method tayo. Ma-minus lang natin yung 82 sa 180. Okay, solve natin. We have 180 minus 82. So, 0. So, hiram muli tayo sa 8 ng isa. So, magiging 7 to. And 10, ay yung 0 rather, magiging 10. So, 10 minus 2 is 8. 7 minus 8, hindi pwede. So, kukuha ulit tayo ng 1 sa 1. So, 1 is magiging 0. 7 magiging 17 siya. So, 17 minus 8 is 9. So, 180 minus 82 is 98. So, lagay natin. Ibig sabihin, ang supplement ng 82 degrees is 98 degrees. Ayan. So, for our third example, no, same din nung kanina, kindly comment down your answer sa ating chat box kung ano yung supplement or supplementary angle ng 101 degrees. Okay? So, that's it for our video or for our lesson for today. I hope may natutunan kayo sa aking tinuro and sana magamit nyo siya sa inyong mga math classes. Okay? So, comment down nyo lang din kung medyo nalilito kayo sa part ng ating tinuro or ng ating diniscuss nang sa gayon ay matalakay natin sa mga susunod na araw upang malinawan na kayo. Okay? Yun lamang at maraming salamat sa panonood.